This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus.
बड़े वाले सी बोले तो बड़े वाले कोलीग।
Every Wednesdays is a very very unique show क्योंकि हर बुधवार को जो है थीम बिल्कुल अलग होता है और उस थीम के दौरान और उस थीम के थ्रू we try to kind of try and understand different aspects of those who are at MMT and with that also understand how big and loving and energetic and progressive as well as very productive the culture of MMT is and people at MMT just love being here. आज जो है वो है BWC. अब इस थीम को क्यों BWC कहते हैं और BWC है क्या ये मैं आपको बताऊंगी शो के दौरान because the person who's joining me on the show today has actually been nominated by someone. That is why he's on the show and he has no clue what BWC is or who has nominated him. Shobhit Saxena on BWC today on Go MMT Radio and I'm your host Annie. Shobhit, a warm welcome to the show.
Thank you, Annie. Thanks a lot. And as you said, I'm a bit surprised. So looking forward for this.
अच्छा, सरप्राइज इसलिए कि किसी ने नॉमिनेट किया ही क्यों होगा, right?
Yeah, first thing and both the ways. So nominate किया होगा and what's BWC? So both ways. So
पहले ये रेडियो शो सुना है?
yes, of course. So whenever I come to Gurgaon, so it usually starts after 6 and probably before 9:30. So I've heard a lot. My previous company was Mirchi, so radio is something that I've been habituated to listening songs at the background.
Oh, that is good, Shobhit. अच्छा, तो चलिए मुझे बताइए आप MMD में कितने सालों से या कितने महीनों से हैं?
So it's been 2.5 years that I'm with Make My Trip. August 22 I joined. So it's been 2.5 years, quite a lovely journey and have been learning a lot. It's been a good experience.
तो इससे पहले आप रेडियो के साथ क्या करते थे कि आप अभी MMT में भी लगभग वही कुछ आपका प्रोफाइल होगा लेकिन अलग ऑफ कोर्स प्लेटफॉर्म.
So I worked in Mirchi for around 7.5 years. So वहाँ पे प्रोफाइल ये थी corporate sales. So usually plain mundane FCT sales is actually moving out. And the solution selling is coming into the picture, means how you can create a campaign around a thought and give it to your clients. So I was managing that portfolio. There also I was managing clients and here also I'm managing corporate clients. So profile remains same, but जो product है वो product बदल गया है. What I'm selling right now is a new age product and lot of learning and lot of technology pieces involved. So way far ahead product.
Correct.
Yes, you're right. ये है आखिरी मौका अपना एनुअल हेल्थ चेकअप करवाने का. सेहत है तो सब कुछ है. Last date to get your checkup done is 30th April 2025.
सांसों से लिख दिया दिल पे तेरा मैं तो तेरे लिए बदना.
यहाँ कैसे पहुँच गए?
MMT के एनिवर्सरी सेल पे क्रेजी ऑफर्स हैं. कहीं भी पहुँच सकते हैं.
स्विट्जरलैंड भी?
Of course.
We have launched the OPD services exclusively for We Care Fund members. Download the Alive Health app and start making the most of it now.
बड़े वाले सी बोले तो बड़े वाले कोलीग।
On the show with Shobhit Saxena जो कि हैं BWC, खुद वो BWC हैं, BWC शो पर जो कि हो रहा है Go MMT रेडियो पर. तो चलिए शोभित आपको बता ही देती हूँ BWC है क्या. एक वेग गेस कीजिए. Can you kind of tell me what BWC could be?
BWC, really not able to recollect what can be the context that you have told me. So collaboration. I don't know.
Something collaboration. Okay, किसी ने आपको नॉमिनेट किया है और आप हैं बड़े वाले कोलीग.
Oh my God, that's I could have never ever thought for this बड़े वाले कोलीग.
तो आप है BWC जो कि है बड़े वाले कोलीग और आपको किसी ने नॉमिनेट किया है क्योंकि उनको लगता है कि आपने उनकी बहुत ज्यादा मदद की है. That's why he's nominated you.
First of all, the name is really lovely and great. Thanks a lot for that person for nominating me. So
हाँ, शो के खत्म होने से पहले आपको जरूर बताया जाएगा कि कौन है जिन्होंने आपको नॉमिनेट किया है, जो आपके फैन बन चुके हैं और आपको मेंटोर मानते हैं खुद के लिए यहाँ पर MMT में, क्योंकि उतनी आपने मदद की है. अभी मदद करना ये नॉर्मल है, राइट? जैसे आपने कहा था शोभित.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, this is something very common, of course.
So this is a nice surprise for you. इसी बात पर हम rapid fire round कर लेते हैं. It's going to be a fun round. Are you ready for this?
Yes.
The rapid fire round.
Okay, and my first question to you is, have you ever had a you won't believe what happened moment?
Yeah, I have.
बताइए कुछ उसके बारे में.
I love to go on road trips, and I was driving, and something that really crossed my mind was that how can people drive so fast? I've been seeing a lot of videos. Suddenly a car passed. I got to know their speed when it was stopped at a later stage, and a person was driving at 220 kilometers an hour, and that's why the police stopped. I was on an expressway, so it was just a surprise for me. I just seen a video of people driving so fast, but when I actually saw somebody on a normal road condition, not an F1 race or something, was driving at that speed, and he just passed in a Ziffy. I was just taken aback. How can somebody drive so fast? And so that was something that really, I still remember. It's just one of the moment that I keep on thinking a lot.
Oh, Acha, tell me, what's the strangest talent you possess? Something that maybe most people don't know.
I can make somebody really smile at a very fast pace. I can pull up a prank or really fast. I can.
Oh, nice. So you're Mr. Popular, huh, Shobhit?
No, I'll not say that, but yeah, so something that I myself is discovering, but yes, this has been told to me. I didn't know that I had this, but I'm trying to get it more, out of me. And it's an impromptu. I can't think that.
Planned move नहीं, लेकिन humor काफी अच्छा है शोभित, है ना आपका?
Sort of can be.
That's good. You're being very modest about it, which is also sweet. Okay, what's the weirdest food combination you have enjoyed so far?
Once I went to a restaurant and somebody ordered a mango ramen.
Oh,
mango ramen. Yes.
Mango ramen, क्या बात है?
And people eat it, but for me, it's something that I cannot think of. And that person was eating in front of me. Of course, he went with me, so can't say. But yes, that was something I really, really remember that I cannot have it.
तो आपने ट्राई नहीं किया है, लेकिन आपके सामने किसी ने ट्राई किया and you were kind of quite cheesed off with it, huh?
Yeah.
What is the oddest item you've seen in the office fridge?
So I'll talk about my Bombay office. So we don't have, people usually get their lunch boxes.
Correct.
And they keep it in the fridge so that it stays in the condition. So I've seen somebody actually putting a open sort of a packet of puri sabji, just putting it like that in that office. And because of this, the whole fridge was actually, and the sabji was falling out and all that. So बहुत weird था. That day I could not eat my lunch because वो पूरी जगह फैल गया था. बहुत बेकार लगा था कि why, how can somebody put that in that fridge and वो पन्नी भी खुल गई थी. It was just a packet was opened up and then sabji was spilling around. Like people really take it so for granted that they can put anything. I don't think so it's ridiculous, but it was really bad.
Okay, it is time to reveal now who the bade wale colleague is. Are you ready for this?
Yeah. Waiting for it eagerly.
Let me play out who this bade wale colleague is.
Hi everyone, this is Faizan Nawab. I joined MyBiz around 6 months ago as a key account manager, and it's been a truly exciting and learning-filled journey so far. I would like to take this, opportunity to nominate Shobhit, my manager basically, for the impact he's had on my experience here. Right from day one, if I would say, Shobhit has been more than just a manager. He's been a mentor, a guide, and a constant source of support. Right, and his leadership style is something I truly admire. Clear, approachable, and always focused on helping the team grow. He's always helped me understand not just the MyBiz platform and processes, but also how to approach clients, structure my pitch, and deliver results. So what stands out most is the way he empowers you to take ownership while always being there to back you up when needed. Thank you so much. Thank you, Shobhit, for your guidance, trust, and for creating an environment where learning and growth go hand to hand. Right? And I'm truly grateful to be a part of your team.
Wow. There it is, Shobhit. उन्होंने तो अपना नाम पहले ही बता दिया, तो आपको पता चल गया. But this is all that it has for you, Shobhit. So congratulations.
Thank you. So nice to hear that, and really, so of course, thanks Faizan Thank you so much. Really good morning.
Yeah, this has been a great time. चलिए इसी अच्छे वक्त को और इन memories को हम close करते हैं with the game Never Have I Ever. Are you ready for this?
Sure, yeah.
All right.
The rapid fire round.
Never have I ever played a musical instrument.
Never.
Oh, you haven't. Never have I ever been in love.
Oh, I have.
And are you still in love?
Yeah.
Oh, very good. Never have I ever had a crush on a teacher.
I have.
Oh, still in touch with the teacher?
Yeah, so on social media, she's actually abroad.
Ah, okay. Never have I ever marched in a protest.
I have in college.
Oh, you have? What was it?
So I studied from Indore. So there was a protest against the student union for actually the canteen renovation was pending for a long. So we were asked to be part of that protest so that funds can be released and the canteen can be renovated, and we were very excited. So yeah, we went to the principal office to have that, and we were canteen band karo.
Never have I ever seen a ghost.
Never.
Oh, never have I ever met a celebrity.
Have.
I'm sure.
Part
Back
of
radio. Yes, you have met quite a few. Never have I ever gotten into a physical fight.
I have.
You have. Good. I hope you had a good reason.
Yeah. College days usually have good reasons, but then you say, yeah, I was immature to take that up. But at that time, it was a good reason to take that.
I know. Never have I ever read a partner's text messages.
I have. No, never. Oh.
Never have I ever gone on a blind date.
Never.
Okay. And the last question, never have I ever sang in public.
I never.
Oh.
Was not a public.
Okay. एक और सवाल है आपके लिए, मेंटोर से या अपने पेरेंट्स से कुछ ऐसी बात, कुछ ऐसी सीख जो आप हमेशा अपने साथ रखते हो.
One thing that my boss told me, this is something from my parents and of course my boss both. My first boss told me that when you work in a corporate company or when you work in a corporate culture, you assume that you have done something, but it's always good to check that is it really done or not. So आपने courier भेज दिया, that's your duty, but did you check that courier was delivered or not? There's a difference. Correct. When you understand this, then that means you have arrived in the corporate ecosystem. So courier भेजने से काम नहीं होता, courier पहुंच गया कि नहीं पहुंच गया वो चेक करना पड़ता है. So that's one thing that I keep on telling my team also, that always whenever you're doing something, just check that is it really done or not.
That is lovely. That's amazing actually. Thank you so much for your time, Shobit, and I hope you were equally surprised and happy to know that Faizan Nawab nominated you as the Bade Wale colleague. It's a big deal.
Thank you so much, lovely, and it was really a honor, privilege for us. And it's good to be part of such an activity from the company. It really feels nice. Something really go back and think that yes, there is something to think over, and the company is also doing something for you. So it's really nice to be part of it.
How sweet. Shobit Saxena from the corporate sales department based out of Mumbai, Bade Wale colleague हैं इस हफ्ते के इस महीने के actually. So in case if you also have someone to nominate and to talk about and to be really grateful for, you can always let us know. This is Go MMT Radio. I'm your host Annie, taking your leave. We'll be back on Friday with Filmy Friday. Till then, all you've got to do is keep smiling, stay cheerful.
मेरी बॉडी में सेंसेशंस होते हैं, उनको कंट्रोल करते हैं.
कैसे सेंसेशंस?
सेंसेशन जैसे सरसराहट, सनसनाहट, गुदगुदाहट, डगमगाहट, फरफराहट, थरथराहट, कपकपाहट, हड़बड़ाहट, दबदबाहट, चटपटाहट, फरफराहट, सुगबुगाहट, कुलबुलाहट, गुदगुदाई, चिलमिलाई, चुल.
आज ही अपने नियरेस्ट डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट करें और हाँ, अपना क्लेम अलाइव हेल्थ ऐप पर रियम्बर्स जरूर करें. बॉडी सेंसेशन और पिल से मुक्ति पाएं.
Download the Alive Health app and start making the most of it now.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB Bo, and Redbus.